Transitioning an electrical contracting business to a larger metropolitan area presents unique challenges, primarily stemming from intense competition, a different marketing landscape, and established networks of larger contractors. To overcome these obstacles and increase workflow, consider several key strategies. Firstly, niche specialization. Identify a specific electrical service or sector in which you can specialize. Examples include commercial lighting, home automation, or industrial installations. Specialization helps you stand out from competitors and attract clients seeking specific expertise. Secondly, targeted advertising. Implement advertising strategies that effectively reach your desired customer base. Digital marketing platforms such as Google Ads and social media advertising can be highly effective. Also, consider niche industry publications relevant to your specialization. When advertising, emphasize your unique expertise and experience in your chosen niche. Thirdly, networking and partnerships. Actively engage in networking opportunities to build connections within the industry and the local business community. Attend industry events, join local business organizations, and connect with other contractors and businesses. Explore potential partnerships with larger electrical contractors who might be willing to subcontract work to smaller companies. This can provide a valuable source of projects and revenue. Fourthly, community involvement. Getting involved in local community projects or volunteer organizations can help build trust and establish your brand as a reputable member of the community. This can lead to increased referrals and business opportunities. Fifthly, online presence. Establish a professional website and maintain active social media profiles to enhance your online presence. Optimize your online content for local search terms to improve visibility in search engine results. Showcase your completed projects and customer testimonials to demonstrate your expertise and build credibility. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business and Yelp, as these reviews can significantly influence potential clients. Sixthly, customer service excellence. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial for building strong client relationships and fostering repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, offer competitive pricing, and consistently deliver high-quality work. Always ask for referrals and encourage repeat business by exceeding customer expectations. To further elaborate on targeted advertising, consider the following points. Understanding your ideal customer is paramount. Research their demographics, needs, and online behavior to refine your targeting strategies. Leverage data analytics to track the performance of your advertising campaigns and make data-driven adjustments to optimize results. Experiment with different ad formats and messaging to determine what resonates most effectively with your target audience. Focus on creating compelling ad copy that highlights your unique selling points and addresses the specific needs of potential clients. Continuously monitor and refine your advertising strategies to maximize your return on investment. Regarding networking and partnerships, remember that building relationships takes time and effort. Be proactive in reaching out to potential partners and attending networking events. Focus on building genuine connections rather than simply seeking immediate business opportunities. Offer value to your network by sharing your expertise and providing assistance when possible. Maintain consistent communication with your contacts to nurture relationships and stay top of mind. Be open to exploring different types of partnerships, such as joint ventures, subcontracting agreements, or referral programs. When developing your online presence, ensure that your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines. Create valuable content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Regularly update your website and social media profiles with fresh, relevant content to keep visitors engaged. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your work and enhance your brand image. Monitor your online reputation and respond promptly to any reviews or feedback. Customer service excellence involves more than just providing quality workmanship. It also encompasses communication, professionalism, and attention to detail. Be responsive to customer inquiries and provide clear and accurate information about your services. Arrive on time for appointments and maintain a professional demeanor at all times. Take the time to understand your client's needs and offer customized solutions that meet their specific requirements. Follow up with clients after completing a project to ensure their satisfaction and address any concerns. By consistently providing exceptional customer service, you can build a loyal client base and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. Furthermore, consider offering specialized services that cater to emerging trends in the electrical industry. For example, the demand for electric vehicle charging stations is rapidly increasing, presenting a significant opportunity for electrical contractors. Similarly, the growing popularity of smart home technology creates opportunities for specializing in home automation installations and maintenance. Staying ahead of industry trends and adapting your services accordingly can provide a competitive edge and attract new clients. Remember that building a successful electrical contracting business in a large metropolitan area requires persistence, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. By implementing these strategies and continuously striving for improvement, you can increase your workflow, build a strong reputation, and achieve long-term success. In addition to these strategies, it's also important to carefully manage your finances and maintain a strong business infrastructure. This includes developing a detailed business plan, tracking your expenses and revenues, and ensuring compliance with all applicable regulations. Seek professional advice from accountants, lawyers, and other business advisors to help you navigate the complexities of running a business in a large city. Also, consider investing in continuing education and training to enhance your skills and knowledge. Staying up to date with the latest technologies and best practices can improve your efficiency, quality of work, and ability to meet the evolving needs of your clients. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage satisfied clients to refer your services to their friends, family, and colleagues. Offer incentives for referrals, such as discounts or special offers. Positive word-of-mouth referrals can be a highly effective way to generate new business. In conclusion, transitioning an electrical contracting business to a larger metropolitan area requires a strategic approach that focuses on specialization, targeted advertising, networking, community involvement, online presence, and customer service excellence. By implementing these strategies and continuously striving for improvement, you can overcome the challenges of a competitive market and build a thriving business. And never stop hustling to find work.